Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be going over all of the fonts that came with my Imperial Workshop Atlas hilt. I bought this around late November and arrived, I believe, in the beginning of December. So these fonts that I'm going to be showing will be as of around late November, early December. So if they have added new fonts or changed some of their fonts, then this video will probably be outdated by then. But until I hear about anything different, this video should be up to date with all the fonts on Imperial Workshop. I'm going to be going over all 34 fonts that come with this lightsaber, and also stay tuned to the end because Imperial Workshop even has their own custom font, so be sure to listen to that one when we get there. But anyways, let's just see what fonts come with this lightsaber.
Serenity. The champion. The Dark Lord revisited. The learner. The second. The teacher. Whispers of power.
Imperial Workshop.
And that is going to be all for this video. If you have stayed to the end of the video, thank you for watching the whole video. I really appreciate it. Be sure to like the video, subscribe if you want to, and comment down below what was your favorite font. I know in the last video where I did that sit down video talking about Xenopixels, Pixels, and the legacy lightsabers, in the description of that video I mentioned I would either be doing another sit down video or maybe even another tutorial. I will be doing that, and I've decided that I'll probably be doing a tutorial, pretty much like a fundamental thing for beginners to kind of get into maybe lightsaber spinning or lightsaber flourishing. But don't worry, that should be next video, and maybe the sit down video will be further along the way. I do have something planned very special in April, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, that is going to be all for this video. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.